Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So this time the video is very important for all my viewers, my subscriber, and especially for Stellar XLM holders now. And this time, my brother, I will give you 100% guarantee, my brothers, to if you watch this 2-minute video. If you already click on this video, so kindly watch this 2-minute video. I am 100% sure to you will be safe from loss, and you will be there is a 100% chance you will get a profit now. So this time, the last 7 days, minus 4.55% they will lost now. But don't worry, my brother, don't worry, relax. Alright, so this coin is fails down, so don't see this share fails, my friend. Absolutely, this is very bad and very short fails. But remember to after a fails, absolutely, this coin will get a jump now, as you can see here. So that's clear, my brothers. To the price will increasing again after a fails. Absolutely, they will jumps now. So therefore, I am 100% sure to upcoming days there is a 100% chance to the price of Stellar XLM will increasing now, because the last 10 days of every month every coin will moving upward. So as you can see here, my friend, August 22, you can see here, my brother, August 13, 23. So you can see, my brother, they will completely moving upward. And after the total average is going to be positive now. So therefore, my brother, I am 100% sure to upcoming days also there is a chance to the price will increasing. So if you have any plan, my brothers, to buy more, so I think it's a very good time. But remember to, if you have any plan to starting selling, so I think you will be doing a very huge mistake, because every coin will moving upward in the last days of every month. So therefore, I know to upcoming days the Stellar XLM price will increasing now. So if you starting selling, so remember to they will fails down more and more, and they cannot give you a profit. But if you hold, so don't worry, my brother, they will moving upward continuously, because a lot of holders are starting investing more and more in those time, especially short term investors. So therefore, I know to upcoming days the Stellar XLM price will completely increasing. But if you are hold now, so this is my opinion for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box. And remember to, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please research personally before you take any decision. Allah Hafiz, take care.